So, in last video we have seen what is a Raspberry Pi. Now you have one, let's see how to set it up. My name is Pratyush and let's go ahead. We are gonna do this in two phases, first for the hardware and then for the software. For the first phase we'll need a card reader, your board and a micro SD card. For the second phase we'll need a HDMI to HDMI cable, our flashed card and a charger to power this board up. Now plug in your SD card to your computer, and I have given all the download links in the description below. First we have to download the Raspbian OS, the official OS by the Raspberry Pi. Here are two versions of it, one with desktop and the other one is the light version, but we have to download the desktop version, the one with the desktop. You can download this with either torrent or just direct download it. After that you have to download Etcher. This will be our tool to flash Raspbian into our micro SD card. Once these are downloaded, you have the two zip files. You just have to extract the Etcher file and you will get the setup for Etcher. After that, run this. Now you have to select the image that you want to flash on your SD card, and we'll select the zip file that we have downloaded earlier, that is the Raspbian OS for the board. After that we have to select the drive in which we'll flash our Raspbian OS, and we have to select the SD card we have mounted to our computer, and now we have to just flash it, accept any pop-ups you have. The flashing process will take some time. First it will load, and this might take some time depending upon your PC, and after loading it will validate again for any checks. I'm fast forwarding this, and after you are done with this, you have completed your flashing your micro SD card. Now you can pop your card out of your computer and insert it into your Raspberry Pi. Once we are ready with this, we need to plug into a monitor. We put in the SD card, plug in the power cable and the HDMI cable, and you'll see the lights blinking. Once you are up and running, here is the menu given by default programs for programming stuff, some games, Minecraft 2, and this is the default browser. Here are given some office tasks, and these are some accessories, and here is the Raspberry Pi configuration that will act as the settings. You can change password and set resolutions. These are some interfaces, we'll talk about them later in later videos. For performance and localization stuff is here. Apart from that, the major difference is the file system here. This is the one, this is not similar like the one you can find in your Windows PC. And here's the command shell. You'll need to update your board after the first time you run it, so just update your board through this command, sudo apt get update. You need to connect your board to network via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I'll recommend Wi-Fi. So that's it for this video, guys. So just subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.